Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, knowing about money and financial markets isn't just a luxury. It's a must-have survival skill. The day-to-day lives of individuals are intertwined with the financial markets, whether they are aware of it or not. The top 7 reasons why everyone needs to understand the secrets of the stock market, forex market, commodity, and crypto market. Why it's time to take control of your financial destiny like never before. Don't miss out on this eye-opening journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. Financial education. Emphasizes the significance of financial education and understanding financial concepts such as cash flow, assets, liabilities, trading, and investing. He believes that this knowledge is fundamental to achieving financial success. Number 2. Personal finance management. Knowledge about financial markets empowers individuals to manage their personal finances more effectively. It helps them budget, save, invest, and plan for long-term financial goals. Number 3. Protection against scams. Knowledge about financial markets helps individuals recognize and avoid potential scams and fraudulent schemes, targeting uninformed investors, especially prevalent in the crypto market. Number 4. Embracing risk. Taking calculated risks and learning from failures are essential components of achieving financial prosperity. Number 5. Financial freedom. Promotes the idea of achieving financial freedom by creating passive and active income streams that cover one's expenses without reliance on traditional employment. Continuous learning emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and staying informed about financial markets and economic trends. So, finally, don't miss out on the chance to level up your financial IQ. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching.